Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how I make this cherry cheesecake. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and go follow me on my Instagram. That will be linked in the description along with the original recipe link for this recipe. So I really love this cake. It's a more of a lighter cheesecake, so it's not as strong and rich as a regular cheesecake may be, so just letting you guys know in advance. For the first thing you want to do is just crush together your graham crackers. I'm using a plastic bag. I actually have a food processor, but it's just very small, and it was actually occupied at the moment, so this is just what I used. But you could also use food processor, blender, whatever you want to do. And you just want to ground these up finely and add these to a bowl, and then we're going to add melted butter to this and mix this until combined. And when you mix it, it may still seem a little dry, but that's just how it is, so don't add anything else to it. I was a little confused for a minute, but that's all you have to do. And I was not recording when I was trying to show you guys me putting the graham cracker base in, but that's all you have to do is just press it into the bottom of the pan, set it in the oven for 10 minutes and set it aside to cool while you make the cheesecake filling. For the cheesecake filling, you just want to add your room temperature cream cheese to a medium-sized bowl and mix this until smooth, and then just add your sugar and mix that until it's combined for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, one by one, you just want to add your eggs and mix until combined. Now for the last steps for the cheesecake filling, you just want to add your vanilla extract and your sour cream and mix this until combined. And also make sure to not overmix the cheesecake batter, because that can cause cracks in the cheesecake. Now you just want to add your cheesecake batter to your cooled crust and set this in the oven at 325 for 60 to 75 minutes. And if you would like, you can do a water bath. Unfortunately, I did not think to do a water bath until after I finished cooking the cheesecake. So I personally would recommend a water bath. If you want to know how to do that, make sure to check the information notification thing up there. And go watch my banana pudding cheesecake recipe. I show you guys how to do that over there. But like I said, I forgot to do it here. If I remembered, I definitely would have did it. So I recommend you do that because I think it helps not create cracks in the cheesecake. So yeah, I forgot, and my cheesecake ended up getting a crack in it. But once you're done cooking, turn the oven off, leave it in the oven for an hour with the door jar, and that's what it looks like. Let it cool completely before setting it in the fridge to let it rest for 4 hours or overnight. So now moving on to the the cherry topping. You just want to add your frozen cherries to a medium saucepan on medium to high heat. Add your sugar and your almond extract and water and mix this until it's all combined, so you don't burn the bottom of the cherries. In a small bowl, you want to add your equal parts of water and cornstarch. Then you want to whisk the cornstarch until it's dissolved in the water, and then add this to the cherry sauce to help thicken it. Once your cherry sauce has thickened, take it off of the heat to let cool at room temperature before adding it to your cheesecake. You can also set it in the fridge to help cool it faster. So I let my cheesecake cool overnight, so once you've taken it out the fridge, take it out of the pan and you can add the cherry sauce on top, and you can add however much or as little as you want, but I just put all of it on top of the cheesecake, and also I think it looks very pretty that way, also for pictures and stuff like that. So that's also another reason why I decided to do that. And that is it for the finished cherry cheesecake. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!